to bring resources to families and businesses with an emphasis toward micro businesses, child care, public school funding, shelter for the homeless and veterans, and relief for our cultural mall, like the Smiley Mall, Century Plaza, Hmong Town, and Hmong Village. As the only Minnesota State Senator of Hmong descent, I have been vocal as your official voice for the anti-Asian hate and pushing for policy to increase penalty on crime motivated by bias. And while I hope that the momentum joining me will be stronger next year, because I'm hoping I see Councilwoman Susan Pa is here tonight too. She will be speaking a little later in support of me. But I'm hoping that next year we will also elect Councilwoman Susan Pa and Representative Tu Xiong to the State Senate. Councilwoman, and you're here as our husband. Yep. As we build back better, there will be more positive news up ahead of us. In this coming 2022 legislative session, my colleagues and I will be making decisions on how to best use the $6.5 billion of infrastructure funding that you probably see on the news or national news when Joe Biden came to promote here in Minnesota a few weeks ago. And there is more good news, as Minnesota is projecting a state surplus of $7.7 billion. That's a lot of money, and we make history with that mark. Now we have more resources and opportunity to make it right. To make it right. To make it right by properly rewarding our essential workers who have been on the front line protecting all of us. And to make it right by creating more jobs, creating business opportunities, investing in community on public safety, and fulfilling our promise for better funding toward education. To make it right, we need to change the paradigm of racial inequity. This is the time. This is a time and now to empower our BIPOC and New American communities with our state investment dollars. And to make it right, we must pay back the debt that incurred throughout unemployment.